Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to copy your profile link from your LinkedIn profile on iOS and Android devices. So the first step is head over to the LinkedIn app and swipe right. As you can see here, I have multiple options like view my profile and that. So click on view profile and then as you can see here, two buttons open to add selection and this circle right here with three dots. Click on this circle and click on the second option, share, and click on copy. Now you have successfully copied your LinkedIn profile link on your clipboard. Now to confirm that, we will just paste in here and there you go. As you can see here, the profile link has been successful.